welcome back to my channel. My name is Monanzuki, aka BeeMoniRae on Instagram and Twitter. And as you read from the title, today we are going to be retwisting with water and oil and no clips. And I apologize for my last video. I am sure you noticed there was literally little to no energy. I sort of got some scary news in like seconds before I started recording, and you're wondering, okay, you could have just recorded later, but it was the only time there was a little peace and quiet where I live, so I was trying to take advantage of it. So that's why I was the way I was in that video, but I am much better now. Well, it's gonna be with me for the rest of my life, but oh well. I'm glad to still be here. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So today we're going to be using coconut oil. I am going back to coconut oil. Tea tree oil has oil. Did I just say oil? What? Siku hizi nashema sana ni nini? Hey. Anyway, I have been using tea tree oil. I started with coconut oil because that's what I was using as I was a loose natural. Then I decided to try tea tree oil, and it was going okay for a couple of months till like 2 months ago. Like 2 months, 2-3 months ago, from the last time I oiled my hair. I think it was the one of the benefits of not retwisting. If you haven't watched it, I'll leave the link here. And it was not going well. Honestly, I don't know what happened with that oil. So I'm back to coconut oil, but not the coconut oil I started using. I got this SEDOSO coconut oil. The first time I got it, I thought it was written seduce. I was like, oh, okay. Wow. And then I looked at it, I was like, oh, it's SEDOSO. Oh wow. So yeah, I got this coconut oil. It was about 120, 110, 120 for 100 ml. And I've been using it and it smells amazing. So yeah, enough of me rambling. Let's get into this video. It's a TikTok. Oh my goodness. I need to leave TikTok, but it's impossible. Anyway. Why am I putting it like that? Yeah, you just gonna get some oil on your hands. Yeah, that's a lot, I know. And then just rub it onto your scalp and the growth. Anyway, so yeah, you started your locks in clockwise motion. Again, clockwise motion. If you started in anti-clockwise, do it in anti-clockwise. So I started in clockwise motion, so I am just gonna retwist in clockwise motion. And there you go. So since we're not using clips, I'm becoming a pro. We're just gonna twist it. Okay. You've done your retwist, so you're gonna like coil it. Yeah. You're gonna coil it like that. Yeah. Cool. Okay. So as I was saying, how to retwist, you will retwist in the direction that is how you started your locks, and then you will take the lock and like coil it. You know how when a millipede coils itself to like protect itself? Yeah, in that nature, that's how you coil it so it holds. Yeah. So yeah, the reason behind all these faces I'm making is I was listening to a podcast. It's called Crime Junkie, and the stories in this podcast, they are just look for it if you're interested in being the detective. You like solving mysteries and whatever you like such stories. Crime Junkie podcast is for you. So anyway, besides that, since I am not using clips this time, I really want to see how long. Oh, look at that ponytail. Yes. I want to see how long my retwist is going to last. If it will even last 2 days. Because my retwists do not last at all. I said this before. Retwists don't last. Whether you use oil, you use gel, you use the magic locking gel, it does not last. So be prepared for that if you're planning to join the lock community. But besides that, locks are the bomb.com. Yay! So I discovered, not now, I've discovered that I have this, a flat lock, and it's so the union. I think I have like 3. So if you have a flat lock, let me know. And if you have a remedy for unflattening these locks, also let me know. And why is it happening? So yeah, it is as simple as that. It gets easier retwisting your hair. It will take a shorter period with time, so practice makes perfect. Don't give up. I am so glad that I can actually see my locks in a ponytail. I can get them in a ponytail. That was impossible the first few months, but now I can get it in a ponytail. Yay! See you on the next one, which will be uploaded on Tuesday, same time, 8 p.m., which will be my lock anniversary. So you can see how my locks have been from day 1 to the 365th day of the year. Yay! Take care. Bye.